first sin ever committed was not in the Garden of Eden. The first sin ever committed happened in heaven. He created 3 archangels. Michael, who's responsible for warfare. Gabriel, who's responsible for delivering messages. Lucifer, who was responsible for worship. The scripture says his body was made out of musical instruments and pipes. But then Isaiah in 14 teaches us something about Lucifer when he was in heaven. Some way, somehow, he got a glimpse of his beauty. And then the first sin entered into the heart of a being, pride.